Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this month's Sephora Play unboxing. I have not peeked in here. I didn't unbox last month, which was December 2017, because it was just real crazy with finals and holidays. I did show the box on my Instagram story, so if you don't follow me there, it's always linked down below. But we will be unboxing January 2018. I'm pretty excited. Hopefully it's like new products, or maybe products that were like top sellers of 2017. And if you are wondering on this makeup, I tested out all these new like Real Techniques blend and blur brushes, and yeah, go watch that video. It will probably be up after this. I'm not 100% sure yet, but yeah, this is like kind of like my minimal makeup too. So if y'all want to see a video on this, just let me know down below. But let's go ahead and get to this box. So as soon as I open it up, this is what the box looks like. We have our little information pamphlet like always. We have our 50 beauty insider points right on the front. And I don't want to open this up yet because I don't want to give away what is inside. But this month's bag looks like this. It says 2018 Happy You Year. Pretty cute bag. I definitely like the teal color. So we're going to go ahead and open it up, and let's see the first thing we grab. Okay, this is big and it's very squishy. What is this? Oh, this is the I can't ever say this freaking brand. Borijo. I know how to say it in my mind, but I like cannot say it. It's a brand with a B. It's their Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is a little sample size. I am all about hair care, deep conditioning masks, whatever can make my hair grow, keep it blonde, keep it strong and nice and pretty. I'm all about that. So this is pretty cool. I'm always looking for a new good conditioning mask. The next thing I have right here, which feels extremely tiny, and we actually have gotten this before. This is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. How much smaller could you get? Like, are you kidding me? Let's use this for comparison. This is the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation. Like, are you kidding me? Do we see how freaking tiny this is? This is absolutely ridiculous. This is 0.3 milliliters. I can't even see this. This is probably good for maybe one use. It looks like it's about 75% full. Of course, I wouldn't fill it up all the way. But we have gotten this before. It's just another eye cream. I haven't really tried it. I am kind of cycling through and figuring out a new skincare routine right now, so I really haven't tried anything else, but it is nice that we have another sample, so if I do like it, I have another one. I have gotten more recently into high-end skincare, which is good and bad because it's very expensive. And the next thing we have right here, which isn't even in the packaging, where is it? Oh, it's right here. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is actually pretty cool. This is their Prime and Moisturize all-in-one. Has hyaluronic acid, and it's in this itty bitty little bottle. I have been a little more oily recently, but ooh, it smells so refreshing. This is going to be good because there are some days where I want a little more hydration, a little bit more of like a boost or a refresh. So I will go for this. I have been thinking about buying the full size like earlier. I never did, but I did contemplate it for a while. So it is nice that I can actually try it now. And then the next thing that we have in here, what is this? Oh, this is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So it's not like a mask or anything. We've gotten some of their masks in the past. This is just one of their foam cleansers. Squeeze a generous amount into hands, add water, and vigorously rub hands together to create foaming lather. So it's gonna be pretty cool. I definitely will try this. I'm a huge fan of Glam Glow masks, specifically just the charcoal one. I've had really good experiences when using that when it comes to pulling out any oils or any dirt out of my pores. So it's really cool. They have a cleanser. My skin normally likes gentle cleansers though. So like right now I'm using the Purity, or no, not Purity. It's the Philosophy Purity Facial Cleanser that's just real gentle and simple, and I really enjoy that one. So this one may be kind of iffy because I don't want it to be a little too harsh. And then the next thing we have in here, what is this? This is from Lancome. It's a mascara base. So I'm going to assume it's like a mascara primer then. Oh, that's freaky. Okay, so it is Ew, it's a mascara primer. I have never used one of these. I never really honestly saw the point of a mascara primer in my opinion, but I will definitely try it out. It is Lancome, so I'm sure it's a little more expensive. And then the last thing we have in here, which is actually a good size, is from the brand Ole Henriksen. I could probably be saying that wrong too. It's the Hydra Clay Detox Mask. It has 5 botanical oils and chamomile flower extract. How do we use this? Apply a thick layer to clean dry face and neck. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse off with water or remove with damp washcloth. So it's just a detox mask. So it's like a normal clay mask is what I'm going to assume. It's just good to pull out all the impurities or oils out of your skin. But this is a good size. This is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. So it's about the size of a normal foundation. So for being the first box of 2018, it definitely was not that bad. We have a lot of different stuff to try out, different stuff that I normally wouldn't ask for samples or I wouldn't buy. I have to say, if there was one thing I'm pretty excited about, it'd have to probably be this mask and the hair mask. I'm really excited about both of these. Like I said, I've been into skincare and hair care more recently, but I am pretty excited about those. I do want to read though that Lancome enhancing mascara base says apply from roots to tip of lashes and apply mascara while formula is still wet. Says it's a creamy conditioning primer that preps lashes for smooth application and a boost of drama. So I wonder if this would help maybe a real clumpy mascara formula or maybe something that doesn't give you much volume. I wonder if it would help enhance that a little bit. And then the mask says it's a rich, nourishing, oh, that's the hair mask, duh. It says it's a gentle clay mask that draws out impurities and replenishes moisture with 5 botanical oils. Its calming formula is perfect for sensitive skin. So that's nice that it is good for sensitive skin. So like I did say, I do have that. So yeah, this was really cute too. They have it themed, and then on the back it was like they have it called a beautiful 2018, and I guess just like little different health tips. But yeah, this was really cute. I will link where you can sign up for Sephora Play down below, as well as I will link all of these products. Probably next month or March, I will be starting, I'm hoping I will be starting the Face Tory subscription box. It is a monthly subscription box with the best thing on the face of the earth, which is sheet mask. I am a sheet mask junkie. I always share my collection on my Instagram page. So it's just, I'm very excited about that because I get like 7 to 8 Korean skincare sheet mask every single month, and I'm so excited. So hopefully I can start that, and I will also start doing the unboxings of those on here for y'all. But I will link all this stuff down below. That way if you're interested, you can find it or sign up. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.